guys, is the 11th tutorial on HTML. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to add links to images. In that other video, I taught you how to add links to a web page, but this one, I'm going to teach you how to add links to an image. We're going to start with the image. We will start with, you remembered the href. Remember that, the href. And in this href, we are not going to be inserting the URL of that web page. We are going to insert the URL of what we want the image to take us to. I'm just going to go to my local storage. I'm going to go to my local storage, copy the URL or the uniform resource locator of any of my web page. So I'm just going to go to, let me go to my browsers. I'll go to my Google Chrome, something like best of links. Best of links. I created this page, this web page earlier. So I'm going to copy the link of this web page. I copy it. You see that I copy it. I take it to my code editor. I paste it. You can see the URL, the uniform source locator. There is no corrupted file. That's good because there's no corrupted file. After that, you remember that I added something like the A tag, but that was a mistake, so I didn't add it. I will add what we call the image file, which I will add the image source, the image URL, which I can just take the image of just a internet icon. I'll just go to my downloads, an image of any of this or any of this. I'll take the image of this or this. Properties, remember the URL inside the security. I'll copy it. Okay, I'll go to my code editor. I'll paste it there. After I paste it, I hope you remember which is the anchor tag. This A stands for the anchor tag, the anchor. So I close the anchor tag. I will save this. I will open this. with Google Chrome. You can see the image here. How will I see the link? Just easy. Click on the image. I click it. It took me to that web page. You can see it. I click the link. It isn't colored because the image has its own color. So I just click at the image. It takes me to that link. Let me check the page source and see what they gave me. Inspect console. Look at the console. In that video earlier, there's like ERR file not found. But in this video, they didn't write anything just because the picture or the link is okay. As you can see, I click on the link, it takes me to this place. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. I'll see you in the next video.